Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with FreeAgent projects and time tracking. Review my usage experience. FreeAgent projects and time tracking. Review my usage experience offers project management and time tracking for freelancers and small businesses. Its main purpose is to help users organize projects, track their time spent on tasks, and generate invoices. Key features include project creation, task management, time tracking, and invoicing capabilities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. FreeAgent positions itself as a streamlined and user-friendly solution for managing projects and time. They emphasize ease of use and transparent pricing. Their website highlights the lack of hidden fees and contracts. The service is available online, and you can check availability and pricing directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using FreeAgent projects and time tracking. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I was able to create my first project and start tracking time within minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I particularly appreciated the drag-and-drop functionality for rearranging tasks and the clear visual representation of my time spent on each project. The performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any glitches or slowdowns. I had a quick question about invoicing, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. It gave me a clear overview of my projects, deadlines, and time allocation. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated invoicing. It saved me a lot of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it slightly inconvenient to track time on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for reporting, but the learning curve was manageable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with FreeAgent. It streamlined my workflow significantly and helped me stay organized and on top of my projects. That's my overview of FreeAgent projects and time tracking. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.